Hey y'all, welcome to the Perkins 2. We back with another one. Tonight we're gonna do something a little bit different. We're gonna do an open box of an iPhone. Guess what number? 11.
Did that make sense? 11.
I was like, wait, what are you? It's not a number 1. A number 11, and we have the 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max.
Just don't get no better. This hit just don't get no better. This hit just don't get no better.
Hopefully we can go through this process and remember our passwords. And we're gonna give y'all a little bit of story time throughout our day today.
I'm stressed out already. You know your password? I gotta get the password.
You gotta teach
Actually, I know
me.
my password. You know your password?
I know my password. I just
Alright,
wanted
sure.
to make sure, just in case if I didn't know it, I'll know. So, can you guys tell what store you went to? Verizon. We've been loyal customers for the past 5 years. What's that?
I got a Mophie portable charger. It actually goes on the back of your phone. This thing has been doing wonders for me. You can never have enough battery life. Okay, what you got?
I got tissue paper. Just kidding. It was cute though. They didn't put it in there nice, but I got a marble case. I don't know if you guys see that marble case.
Me, I got the black. They call it black. Is this
Matte.
space gray? You know what? I didn't even care. I was just so glad they had it because a lot of people said they didn't have them. They didn't have the 512s.
Oh, it's
I need
okay.
the 512.
And I got the midnight green. I was so happy because for all those who do know me, my favorite color is green. And they had the green. And I didn't get the 512 gigabyte because my husband does a lot more stuff on his phone. I got the 256 gigabyte and that's been working wonders for me. So it's like, why go to another? Last but not least,
Last but not least.
I am late, but my husband already had this and now it's my turn to get the wireless charging stand. I have one already, but it's like the cheaper
Best charger
version.
in my opinion. Best charger.
Yeah, I can use it with my my case because the other one I wasn't able to use with my case. So we are going to open up our stuff on camera. It's Christmas early for us. We deserve it. And for all y'all who don't think you deserve it, just think over your life because you do deserve
Come on,
it.
treat yourself.
The packaging is so awesome. This packaging is different because it's black case. I think the other ones were white.
Yeah.
But as you guys can see out the box, this is what it looks like. It's so awesome.
See the inside, they had to make room for that extra camera thing they got going on.
I'm always smelling stuff. Sensitive about smells. More gentle.
I'm gonna tell y'all first off.
Look at this. It feels so good.
So we opened these at the store. That's why the plastic's not on.
Yeah, technically there's like a seal that goes, whoa.
When I first held this, oh my god, this feels so
good.
official.
Hey, come on, you can feel mine. So he has the Max and Pro, which means it's just the bigger phone. Look at this, nervous. We have some more high quality screen cases.
He put my screen case on there.
What is it, screen cases?
Yeah, apparently it's a non-breakable what's the
Screen
name of
case.
those?
OtterBox.
OtterBox, y'all.
OtterBox.
Can't break this.
And
We have never cut these phones on yet.
so this, okay, so in the box,
What if it doesn't work?
you get your manual, a plug,
The OG headphones.
OG headphones.
With AirPods. AirPods on mine.
Where's your top?
Oh.
Set it up nice and boom. Boom.
Beautiful. Let's set these things up for the first time.
So we're just gonna hold this side button.
Yeah.
And
They work.
They work. So as those are turning on, we decided to just give y'all a little story time about our day. We did have a very busy day. It's Saturday, and we had an event to do. with our church, but after that we went to go on search for our phones because nobody had the 512 gigabyte. And
we started in Fairfield. By the time we found them, we were all the way in Concord.
In Concord. It's sad.
If anybody from the Bay Area, they know we traveled to get this.
The screen has finally turned on. This is the Wi-Fi network. Did you do CJ? Did you do 5?
I'm trying to remember right now. Let's see. Yep, we're in. Okay, so you ready?
It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Go, babe. Go, 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 go.
All those people use beats and stuff over their videos. We don't need to do all that. You know what I'm saying? They just lack originality, you know? Face ID, continue. You wanna see me? Wanna see what I look like? It's right in my face.
Hey, that looks so greasy.
Me too.
Restore from iCloud backup and ask you to put your Apple ID in.
How they gonna send an Apple verification code to my other devices? I only have one device here. See them guys?
So why it's taking a few minutes
Hard
to
work, dedication.
I got guns. Pow pow. Why are you shooting at me?
Bang bang.
To tell y'all a little bit about our day, we went to eat before we got our phones at Red Robin, and we posed this question to you guys. So my husband comes up behind me and he's like, can you tell me where your bathroom is? And two Caucasian girls, one would seem nice, the other one, she just looked like she was with me there. He asked a simple question, where's your bathroom?
She wanted smoke.
And she looked at him like this. She didn't even point. And I was like, it's over there, babe. And I was like, wait a minute. When he comes back, and it was a Caucasian lady who was by herself, and she was like, where your bathroom? She was like, oh, they're right over there. And I was like,
that happened.
Now, mind you, my husband always tells me this. He's always saying, like, babe, people act so different when I'm with my family versus when I'm by myself. And I'm like, okay, but maybe it's because how you carry yourself, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
But lately I've been experiencing it for myself with him, and it's just mind-blowing a little bit because it's like, really? It's still people out there like that. And at that moment, I just said a little prayer for her. We was like, Lord, just change her heart. It's like, really, you couldn't even just say over there. It would be different if she probably didn't do that to anybody, but it was like her choice. Okay, now I'm finally getting to the backup process. It is taking like super long time. So tell me how that makes you, like, what are your feelings toward?
It made me want to slap her across the room, you know. But as a black man, we can't slap people. We can't even really raise our voices. Fellas, comment below if that happens to y'all. If y'all get biased treatment when y'all by yourself versus being with your woman or your children or your family. Let us know. Let me know I'm not alone, fellas.
Yeah.
Let me know I'm not alone.
We sat down at our table.
We sat down at our table.
And then what did we do?
And I decided to give it to God, y'all. We prayed.
We prayed. Literally,
the moment, the day just changed.
Right when we said amen, it's done.
The food was great. The waiters, customer service was awesome. Everything changed. Not only that, when we went to Verizon, this dude right here held it down. He literally, the bill we was paying got reduced. And we got new phones.
And we got more expensive phones.
He was telling us inside, and he gave us a website to free movies.
And he gave us a
on the line.
website. And
HD free movies.
And we were able to witness to him a little bit.
Yeah.
And so shout out to Dorado. Dario. I think it's Dario.
It's Dario.
Dario in Concord at Verizon. He was a Verizon specialist, and he did an awesome job serving us.
Real dude.
He literally took like lots of money off of our bills. He got with our new bills to come. He just took we paying less on everything. And mind you, we have a lot of products
We are iFamily for real.
on our line, so
They had iTVs, we would have.
we probably would. So how you feel, babe?
I feel good.
We're kind of tired though,
I'm
but
really sleepy.
and the only thing I did not like, I would say, is as far as their cases. This is such a beautiful midnight green. Hi. Setting up your iPhone. Setting up your iPhone.
I got the Mophie.
Hey.
I got the Mophie.
Hey.
I got the Mophie.
Hey, that's what it's called, Mophie. I got the Mophie. What's this called? What's your product called? It's called the Mophie. Welcome to your iPhone. Hey, welcome.
This here just don't get no better. This here just don't get no better. This here just don't